Hey guys, it's Running Kimono, and this is all from one Rite Aid, and I think it was just under $8 for all of this. All of these products that are found in the dollar spot are ringing up for a quarter. It is always your mileage may vary, but I'm going to show you these products along with the UPCs to be on the lookout. I mean, when's the last time on this page have we seen oven cleaner for 25 cents? I think that's never, because we never see it for that cost. Furniture polish too, just some great finds for a quarter. We also have a little bit of coupon mail we'll go through at the very end. My good friend from California, Sandra, sent these to me, and I'm just going to show you what she has and what's inside of these inserts from January the 24th. Little weather report for you guys. Well, it's getting closer to dark. Again, I wasn't supposed to video this haul today, but I'm going to do it so you guys can be on the lookout for it this weekend. As you can see, it's about 4 o'clock here and it's already getting kind of dusky, and it's just this time of the year. And right here we have a little beggar. I've already fed him today, but he's looking for rotisserie chicken. And I have dry food and then some milk that froze over, but he'll wait there. And these cats are from a, there's a farm about 2 properties over, but since we feed them better food, they come out every day. And this guy will just be here looking for food. And we can't clean the glass right now either, because if we do, it's just gonna freeze. So I'll have to wait for a warmer day. Not a dirty person, it's just impossible to clean this slider now. But anyhow, we have Mr. Meow Meow there, and he's saying hi. Okay, so the store that we have is Rite Aid, and this company is called Powerhouse, and there's a lot of items that are in the dollar spot that are 75% off. So the original price is $1. It's down to a quarter. Now, I was speaking to a lady out of California, Sacktown couponer. Her store has not gone 75 for this, and I was also talking to Ravi, and he told me that New Jersey also is not 75% off. So it's always that your mileage may vary, but if you can head out to the store, even get the cashier to scan one, look for this in the dollar spot section or clearance area and see what they might have. So the first one are these 2 dish soaps. We have one in orange citrus and fresh lemon zest. Yes and yes. So I'll show you the UPC. This is the orange citrus. And this one is the lemon one, guys. Soaps are 25 fluid ounce, so that's a good amount of product, and I'm just delighted to I got 8 of them today. Now the next product that I got is the Powerhouse. This is kind of like a similar product to OxiClean. It's called Oxy All, and it is 14 ounces of this Oxy, which you can use for a multitude of things, from laundry, cleaning in your house. It's good for many different projects, and there's the different, they actually comes with a scoop for this too, and it's not just for laundry, like you can use it to clean your house. And here is the UPC, and I found a ton of this. Nobody was buying it because I don't think people know that you can use this as a cleaner for your household, for various, like everything from the kitchen to like laundry, even the bathroom too. And so here's the product, good amount of it, and it comes with a little scoop. And again, it's just like a powder cleaner that you can use for a multitude of things in the house. And I was able to find 12 of these, and people, I guess, just don't buy this to clean their home, but it's a really great product for 25 cents. I mean, come on. Okay, the next product that we have is, again, by the company Powerhouse. Is this oven cleaner, 12 ounces. I got a bunch of these, and here is the UPC. Like my mother-in-law, I don't think I've ever given her an oven cleaner. So for a quarter, I bought all of them because this is just a phenomenal price point for oven cleaner. This furniture polish in the scent of lemon. And here is the UPC. And then like kind of a knockoff of Pine Sol. I'm sure it smells very similar. It is 28 fluid ounces, so a good amount of this cleaner for 25 cents. So what I did, so I wasn't really feeling this one out of pocket, guys, was I just used some bonus cash to pay this down. And I was, again, really delighted to find all this stuff because I really like shopping for cleaner and paper. Those are my 2 favorite things. As couponers, we all have things, like if you like shopping for beauty stuff, But I was talking to a really good friend this morning, and we were talking about how SC Johnson, Lysol, really not a lot of coupons and deals like at Meijer compared to last year or the year previous. And I think that a lot of these companies are making bank with the pandemic. So of course they're not gonna have coupons or extra savings. And a lot of their products have jumped in price. So to get all this stuff for 25 cents each, yeah, I'm gonna buy it all. So what a great deal. And I'm gonna check the stores, like there's a couple other Rite Aids near me, and see what they have. And this is one item I will use every last penny of bonus cash because I can see the value in this, and I'm just delighted to have all this stuff in my stockpile. And again, this is Rite Aid. Guys, so we're just going to take a quick cruise through these inserts. They are from the January 24th weekend. If you want to get in touch with Sandra, all of her information will be in the notes along with her Instagram. Very nice lady out of California. And just to show you, the first one we're looking at is a Smart Source. This is kind of a confusing one because it has the Rite Aid logo, but it says manufacturer coupon on the top. So you could use this at any store, not just at Rite Aid. And if a cashier tells you differently, then you have to tell her or him, hey, guess what? Read the top of the coupon. Ooh, CoverGirl. This is going to be fantastic over at the Dollar General. This next one is this beauty book. I'm very delighted to get this right before the big Dollar General event that's starting tomorrow. Who's excited for that? Vaseline. Some Dove. Three ounces or larger. I was like, oh, that's interesting. That's none of my business. Kermit the Frog meme, that's what I'm thinking of. Okay, so that was that. And let's look at the final Retail Me Not. Coldies. I'm wondering if these might be really cheap over at Meijer. Once a year, they're really inexpensive. Ooh, Biotine, I like that one. Okay guys, let's go take a look at her price. Okay guys, so here we have the February P&G with the Tide and all that good stuff. 5 of each is 21 with the priority shipping included. Jumping up to 10, it's 32. And this has both the P&G and some TRESemmé, Retail Me Not, and Colgate coupons. And then this is her Linktree. The coupons I just showed you are the January 24th, so right at the top. And then some of the February P&G are below. Her email is also listed in the notes if you want to send her a quick message along with the Linktree, this little page, and all of her info. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.